These objects appeared in this video, taken hours before the tragic earthquake that hit Morocco, and these blue lights that are now considered as a bad omen. Most people might write it off as nothing. However, the blue flashes were observed before the horrific earthquake in Turkey earlier this year that unalived 45,000 people. They have been seen also before quakes in Mexico in 2017, China in 2008, and Italy in 2009. So what are these objects and what's the blue light about? Is it aliens, Russia, or some devices? These blue lights are called EKL, and scientists have explained they might be caused by the movement of lithospheric plates, releasing energy, the same plates that rub together and cause the quakes. One NASA researcher analyzed 65 EKL incidents and described them as if you switched on a battery in the Earth's crust. And as for these flying alien-looking objects, some reported they were drones, part of a drones festival. But what do you think about the blue lights and these flying objects? Is it a coincidence or Mother Nature causes?